Hey, what's up, everybody? We're back with another portrait today. We're going to be doing Kevin H. And, let's see, yeah, Kevin H. So we'll go ahead and get started. Start with a piece of paper, obviously. Always. I'll show you what supplies today I have to work with. So, kind of like those, and the blues and pinks. Those. We got these. I got so many supplies now. We got this. So another thing that I actually have today, which is really useful. It's actually something I should have got a long time ago. But better late than never, I suppose, is the what I'm trying to say here. So I'll show you right now what it is. You'll really like it. You'll be very happy that I got one of these finally. Okay. Look at that. It's a pencil sharpener. Nice, huh? So I won't have to deal with those unsharpened pencils anymore. But I guess I probably should have sharpened them before the lesson. Okay, so that's going to be kind of annoying. I'm going to have to sharpen them while I'm doing this. That's okay. I've been in worse situations. All right, so we'll start with, this is a very close-up picture. We'll go ahead and start with his face. What is that? What's under there? What is this? What is that? My pen was getting stuck on that. I'll just put it over here for now. I don't know. Maybe it's important. It's probably there for a reason. I probably put it there for a specific reason. So we'll hold on to that. All right, he's wearing a hat. I guess he thinks he's cool, or maybe he's hiding something under there. I don't know. I never trust men with a hat, because it just shows that he's hiding something. Anytime I see somebody wearing a hat, I say, "What are you hiding under there? Come on, show me. Don't be scared." Let's see. There's an R on the hat, I guess, for his first name. What was his name? Roy? No, Kevin. No, that doesn't make sense. His name's Kevin. I guess R would be for really, maybe where'd my pen go? Finish up his hat right there. What would R be? I guess man, that's a tough one. I wonder if he even knows. I'm gonna have to ask him. Maybe after I upload this video, because it's gonna bother me. I can't stop thinking about it. R would probably be wow. All right, so he has nose holes. Looks like just one nose hole, one big one right in the middle. That's where he breathes out of, I assume. Let's see, he has like a wrinkle in his forehead. He's kind of looking like kind of looks a little confused. Just a little bit. Not too confused. Like, he knows where he is. He sort of knows what's going on. But I wouldn't say that he like, I wouldn't trust him to do my taxes or anything. Just because of that facial expression. Like, if you ever get your taxes done and the person doing your taxes like does that with like with the wrinkly part of his forehead, I would just go ahead and get a different tax preparer. because that's a good sign that he doesn't feel confident. He doesn't maybe know the tax code as well as some of those other guys out there, and I guess that's like a nonverbal way of showing you. And that's the thing. Like if he's wearing a hat on top of it, that's probably what he's hiding. He's probably hiding the fact that he knows that he couldn't do my taxes. See, I'm a lot smarter than not sharpened. All right, let's how's this thing work? It's actually the first time I'm using it. Maybe we'll go in the bigger one. This takes a long time. What was I saying though? How is that possible? Okay. No problem. We have this red crayon. Orange crayon, I guess. Okay, he has orange lips. I guess he was eating a bag of Cheetos. Let's see. Oh, he's wearing a shirt. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. And his shirt's blue. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of blues here. 6. So let's just do them all. This helps a lot with the shading. If you have, like, the more the merrier, the more the, how's that saying go? The more the menier that you have, the better, the easier it is for you to shade. Shading is probably my least favorite part of this whole process. Just because after a couple seconds it starts killing my arm really bad. And then it usually takes me like a day or two to recuperate. So there's his ears. Got a nice big ear hole right there. You can probably hear a lot. I hope he doesn't hear me talking about him right now. Probably get a text soon. Hey, I hear you. Oh, he only has one ear. He doesn't have an ear on this side at all. I don't know what's going on with these people that are all deformed and stuff. But that's all right. To each their own. What color it is? The skin. There we go. Nice and quick. His eyes are brown, kind of like mud, like muddy brown. He's probably playing in the mud. Oh, and he's standing. It looks like he's standing in front of a shipping container, which isn't sketchy at all. That's totally normal. We'll go ahead and draw that. It's pretty blurry. It's a blurry container. A very low resolution container right there. They make better ones now. I guess this might have been from a while ago. Let's see. What color is wrinkle in? Because it looks like it's kind of it's casting a shadow because it's such a huge wrinkle. We'll color that in black. And let's see, color his eyes. That's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and show you the original. I'm gonna try not to drop it this time. Well, I tried. There we go. I mean, that's spot on. Look at that. Look at that. There's Kevin H. right there with the R on his head. All right, Kevin. Take care.